Here we are in Module 5, week number 5, and we're going to discuss a brand new concept, and it's called transposing. We're learning how to read well. You're getting to the point where you're knowing your intervals and recognizing them well. And now this idea of transposing means that you look at a piece of music and whatever key it's in, you play it as written. But transposing means that you play the exact same piece of music, but you play it in a different key. And for us at this point in time, it means we play it in a different major 5-finger pattern. So let's look at your very familiar to you Highlander tune and French Canadian round. And so that again is on page 56 and 57. Now Highlander tune with no sharps and no flats, as you now know, it is in the key of C major. And you'll notice that it starts, the right hand starts on the note C. The left hand is in a C 5-finger pattern, and you're playing an interval of a fifth at the same time. Now, if we're going to transpose it, we know it's in the key of C, we know it starts on C. So let's transpose it to the key of G. So you're going to put both your hands in a G 5-finger pattern, and because it's in the key of C and starts on C, then if we're transposing it to the key of G, then we know that it will start on G, which is the tonic note of the key of G. So then you would just continue to play it in this new position. You'd go up a second, same note, up a second, same note, and then down a second, and up a third. So you would follow the intervals, and transposing is such a great way to practice your intervallic reading and getting to recognize those intervals. Because if you started reading the note names, you'll get into all sorts of trouble. So again, we're in the Highlander tune, we're in the key of C, it starts on C. What if I wanted to transpose it to the key of D? Then I would put my hands in that D major 5-finger pattern, and I would start on the tonic note in the key of D, because as written, it starts on the tonic note in the key of C. So then it would, and then again, you'd follow the intervals, and you would just walk on down, and then you'd do a skip up and another third. And again, as I said before, it is such a great way to reinforce that intervallic reading. So I would just encourage you to try some of that. And then also, we have another written test coming up, and in preparation for that, I'd like you to do the assignment, a written assignment on page 35, 36, 37. I'll put it in the notes within your module, but it will be a great preparation for you to just ace that next written test. I'll see you then.